I'm over here at the Honda dealer. They have a recall on the recall campaign. It was the multiple model auto idle stop restart software update. So we have a DMV sent us a renewal, and unfortunately we cannot register until we fix this issue. So I'm over here at the Honda dealer, Spring Honda dealer in Corona, and take about 2 hours. At first, when I called in, the lady made a mistake saying that I could just come and pick up the proof of correction, but she was wrong. Lucky I brought the car, so they are doing the service right now. So I'm here at the waiting room. It's take about 2 hours. So there's a service station right there, parts, and then sales. So this is the new Honda Odyssey. Wow, the sticker is $48,100. I'm not sure all this add-on. Tinted window is pretty dark. This one is the Sports Series. And this one is the Honda Pilot. Didn't say if it's the LX, EXL, or Elite, or all-wheel drive. I'm gonna see the sticker. Hanku. So this one is the EXL 2024. Got the appearance protection 1,495, security system 1,895, wheel lock 125, 3M door guards 895. So total is 48,185. Wow, look at that grill. Look at the gaps on that thing. So dark. MSRP vehicle price is with its Destiny charge is $43,775. Fuel economy 22 mile per gallon, average city and highway. So almost like the Odyssey, the interior. Here we have another Honda Pilot. We have the Ridgeline all-wheel drive. Check out this one. How much is this one? Wow, look at it. It has a gray wheel, almost matching the car color. Normal shift knob. So the Ridgeline is almost like the Honda Pilot. So this one is $47,565 with all this add-on. And then this one is the Honda Pilot again. Wow. This one is the Touring, 54,785. talk about inflation. Wow. I think the MSRP is cheaper, I think. And this one is not even elite. So elite will be more. So the sticker price, wow, it's already say $50,375 with all those add-ons, so costs even more. So hardly anybody here. No people coming for the sales. They only come here for the service. Yeah, let's check out this one, see how much this one costs. $44,530. So with the add-on, it's gonna be even more. It's $48,940. This one is the EXL. And this is the black interior. So the sales rep is getting the key. You're gonna check out this touring real quick. Oh, look at that big emblem. Pretty big, jumbo. So our roof rack doesn't have this gap, so it's kind of hard to do the tight down. Oh yeah?
See, like this one is an 8-seater.
Oh, this one is 8-seater.
So this one, so this goes, slides up, back.
So the back seat is 3?
Yeah, back seats, you could fit 3 people. So you got 1, 2, and then 1 in the middle. This also could be taken out. So this one has the option.
Oh, it's removable.
Yeah, it's removable. That's like one thing I like about it. So this one could be removable. I'm gonna have to teach me how they do it. But this one removes, and then you also put it in the back. So you can have like a special place for it to in the back.
What's this pull to come down?
About trading in?
Yeah, what's your trading value though? Is it
Depending,
you have a good trading value or no?
Depending on your on.
So that middle seat that could go in here and then put it right here. Wow. So does that thing lock in there then? Those 2 metal things to lock the seat?
I believe so.
So it doesn't move around? A lot of space.
Yeah, the new pilots are nice. They made them a little bigger as well. The screens too. Screens come. I think the screens.
Oh, this one doesn't have a. This one doesn't have an entertainment, huh?
No.
Yeah, mine does. I don't think so. No. Oh yeah, it does.
Yeah, it goes all the way back. All the way back here.
Wow.
This opens up.
It's a big piece.
Yes, it is.
Okay, you can close it now? Wow.
Would you like to maybe look at some numbers in the trade-in? Maybe my manager could make some magic happen. Make you walk away a happy man.
Alright, so I just got home. So wow, look at the distance for the mileage is 214.7 miles. And then the range, we still have 196 miles left. So with the ICE combustion cars or vehicles, it gets more mileage during like a cold weather versus full EV. You get less mileage. So right now it's 54 degrees, and so total for the range for this car is about more than 400 miles range. Versus like a summertime or something, I'll only get about 320 something miles if you turn on the AC. So I've been using the heated seat and then heated steering wheel on the highest setting, and that's pretty good in the cold weather. So yeah, by the way, this is the vehicle emission recall for the software update, MCQ recall number. So if you're a Honda Pilot or Honda Accord, Honda Civic has this or Ridgeline or Odyssey have this recall, you need to fix it. If you don't fix the recall, the DMV will not allow you to have a renewal. Okay? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.